Pain points of traditional fire alarm system. False alarm +1. False alarm +2. Warning, it is an illegal operation. Please not imitate. Visual AI fire alarm system H5800. Smoke is detected and then the camera is on. A high-resolution camera of intelligent smoke detector H02P starts to monitor when smoke is detected. The visual verification can cut off costs of fire safety patrol. It checks out the alarm area with video in real time. Once a false alarm is verified, you can silence the alarm with one click. On the other hand, the H5800 can machine learn and lower the false alarm rate accordingly. When smoke is detected, you can check out the state of the fire. With one click, you can start programmed equipment. You can verify the alarm quickly and win the best timing to put out the fire as soon as possible.